HikCentral Mini Cube is an all-in-one workstation. With a sleek design and a compact size that fits in the palm, it delivers enterprise-grade performance. With comprehensive connectivity and multiple video outputs, it supports stunning 4K resolution, delivering crystal clear visuals on any display. What's more, triple-sided cooling is for stable temperature control. Complete accessories are included for quick and easy installation. Place it on your desk or mount it behind your monitor to save space. Simple wiring for quick and easy setup. Pre-installed with software and authorized licensing, it offers Data 1 protection with setup-free, plug-and-play operation. It supports up to 64 video channels and 8 doors by default, and can be upgraded to 128 channels and 32 doors. For larger deployments, cascade mini cubes to scale up to 512 channels under unified video management. With broad compatibility, it seamlessly integrates with mainstream third-party devices. With the hybrid cloud solution, connect to and view your system from anywhere, anytime. Data security is at the core of our commitment. With certifications, it ensures stable and reliable protection at all times. Backed by Hikvision's professional after-sales service, your business stays protected every step of the way. HikCentral Mini Cube is ideal for small and medium-sized businesses. Built for different roles, Mini Cube adapts to different operational needs with an intuitive and efficient user experience. Security staff can have all their views in a single interface for faster response and centralized management. HR teams can easily configure employee access, permissions, and review attendance records with streamlined operation. Reception staff can assist visitors with quick appointment scheduling and check-in. HikCentral Mini Cube integrates multiple intelligent search capabilities, enabling users to quickly locate events through smart search area selection, or to seek natural language descriptions, then precisely identify objects via HikSearch for simple, efficient, and accurate retrieval. HikCentral Mini Cube, an all-in-one workstation for you. Go from box to protection in minutes and get started immediately.